Hey, Jam and Jamie here. I just want to do a quick unboxing of the new Hart 10-inch compound miter saw. Here it is. It comes with a 14 amp motor. I got it off of Walmart. Got it from Walmart for I think around 135 bucks. It's made by the same company as Ryobi and Milwaukee, which I do enjoy those tools. In the box, pretty much you just pull it out and it came like this. I just had to cut these straps here, and then this comes up like this. You loosen this knob in the back to get it back to square. So it's back to square there. I'm going to tighten this back up. It comes with this dust bag, miter lock handle and work clamp, and also a blade wrench. That blade wrench is right in here, so you can put it away when you're not using it. Dust bag has a little spring, so that goes on right here. We'll put that on. Okay. And again, it has this work clamp that goes in like this whenever you need to secure some wood that you're cutting. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to check. One of the things you have to do is check to make sure that your blade is square. Okay, so I'm just going to put this off to the side for now. I have my square here. I'm going to make sure that the blade is square, so I'm going to put it up against the fence here. Okay, bring the blade down and put that up against the blade, and that is showing square. Okay, I'll do it on the other side as well, just to make sure. Put it down. That is showing square as well. It's just good to do that. Okay, so in case it doesn't come square after you check it, this fence has the socket head screws right here that you can loosen to adjust as needed. Usually I put this on mount this on like 3 to 3/4 inch plywood, or else you can screw it into your workbench, or however you want to do that. So it has these holes here. You also have to screw this part into. It has the common miter stops at these angles. So you have the 15, 31.6, and 45. Okay. Right. So it has this cut line indicator switch right there. So what that means is when you bring your saw down, and I have this piece of scrap wood, so you bring your saw down, you can see that shadow right there. So that shadow is going to show you where it's about to cut. Alright, so it seems pretty cool. I'm looking forward to using that. My one only complaint right now, I like everything so far. The only thing I've seen is this makes a loud noise right here. When you bring this blade back up, can you hear that? So it's this right here. I might put some kind of cushioning or dampening right there, because I don't like that sound. That's my only complaint so far. So if the Hart engineers are watching this, maybe you can put some kind of dampener there for the next next model release. So again, you can see all the way down. You can see the cut line right there. That little shadow. I'm gonna bring it up. You can see that, how that shows you. Also, the trigger switch. You need to push this blue trigger lock in, and then you can pull down on that, and that'll get the blade, engage the blade. Alright, so I'm going to put it in action right now. Katie, why don't you record me? Okay. You can stand back. Okay. We'll see how this cuts.
Wait, let me see.
Ready?
Yep.
Alright, that cut really nice. It's a brand new blade, so it cut through like butter, so that's pretty exciting. You can see the cut there. And if this is anything like my old Ryobi compound miter saw, which probably would have lasted me for many more years, but my goats knocked it over while I was on the stand, and I had problems with it after that. But if this is anything like that, Ryobi, same company that builds it, which is Techtronic Industries, builds the Hart model, the Hart line of tools, Ryobi, Milwaukee. If it's the same quality as those other ones, I'm sure it should last many years. Okay, one other thing I forgot to mention, it does have the one-sided angle or tilt functionality. You saw me unscrew that before. You can tilt it up to 45-degree beveled or angled cuts. And you can lock that in place and come down. And one more thing I wanted to mention is I was trying to decide with this new miter saw if I wanted to get the 12-inch miter saw. There's also the 10-inch or 12-inch sliding miter saw. I decided to go with this one because it's a little more compact. So I work up here, sometimes I work down in the barn. So I can carry this around and it's fairly light. That's the main reason why I went with that. I didn't want to get that sliding miter saw to be able to cut wider boards, but I decided upon this. And right now I'm happy with that decision because if I wanted to carry it and move it, I'll show you how easy that is. It's pretty light. I'll put this down and engage that lock there, and I can just carry it. So you can see it's really light and easy to move around, so that's kind of why I'm happy I went with this kind of 10-inch blade. Nice and light and compact and easy to carry. So if you were thinking about that, I hope that answers your question. So far with the quick unboxing and cutting the 2x4 quickly, I'm happy with it. I'm pretty sure it's going to live up to some of those my old Ryobi saw that I had and I really enjoyed. Again, this is Jam and Jamie. We're doing this during the coronavirus. I hope you guys are doing okay. Please like and subscribe if this helped you. And hope to see you soon with some other videos.